In this video, we're going to introduce circles. And circle is a conic section in which we cut the cone parallel to its base. So here we have the bottom cone being sliced where the plane that's doing the slicing is parallel to the base of the cone. And what we'll get from that is we'll get a circle. So in this video, we're going to look at identifying the center and radius of a circle. And you might remember circles from geometry class, and in this chapter, in this section, whatever, we're going to look at the equations and properties of circles. Now, the formal definition of a circle is the set of all points. Each of the points is going to be the same distance from a fixed point called the center. So if we think of a circle in the center and we draw the radius out to the edge of the circle from the center, each of those radiuses, each of those radii are going to be the same length no matter what direction we head from the center to the edge of the circle. So the standard form of the equation of a circle is x minus h in parentheses squared plus y minus k in parentheses squared equals r squared, where our center is hk and our radius is r. So we saw a little bit of a preview of some of the equation here with parabolas, where some of our parabolas that opened up or down had the x minus h in parentheses squared, and then we saw the parabolas that opened left and right had the y minus k in parentheses squared. So example 1, we're going to identify the center and exact radius of each. So first up, we have x minus 4 in parentheses squared plus y plus 3 in parentheses squared equals 49. So our center, the opposite values paired with x and y are going to be 4 and negative 3 respectively. So our center of our circle is at 4, negative 3. The radius squared is going to be 49, which means the radius is the square root of 49, or 7. So our center is at 4, negative 3, and our radius is the square root of 49, which is 7. All right, part B, we have x plus 1 in parentheses squared plus y minus 7 in parentheses squared equals 72. So our center is going to be the opposite of 1 and the opposite of negative 7 are going to be negative 1 and 7 respectively. So the center of our circle is at negative 1, 7. Our radius is the square root of 72, which is the square root of 36 times the square root of 2, or 6 times the square root of 2. Again, there is the Desmos video on simplifying square roots if you need a refresher on that. So, all right, that about does it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.